Assalamualaikum grade 7 students. My name is Muhammad Salman and I am your new English teacher. As we all know, it was posted in the class that we have shortened our syllabus of final term. So in the final term we will study about the specific chapters and we will study specific grammatical structure. So our first chapter of final term is the machine stops. It is chapter number 6 in the book. The theme of this chapter is science and technology. Means in this chapter we will study about the machine which is the creation of science and technology. In this chapter the grammatical structure are abstract noun and verbs. As we finish our chapter, I will teach you the grammatical structure of abstract noun and verbs. So let's start our chapter number 6, the machine stops of final term. Lesson explanation of page number 72. So you should open your books and play my video to make sure that you should understand my lecture perfectly. So let's start our chapter number 6. Imagine, if you can, a small room hexagonal in shape like the cell of a bee. It is lighted neither by window nor by lamp, yet it is filled with a soft radiance. There are no openings or ventilation, yet the air is fresh. There is no musical instruments, and yet at this moment this room is throbbing with malicious sounds. An armchair is in the center, by its side a reading desk. That is all the furniture. And in the armchair there sits a swaddled lamp of flesh. A woman about 5 feet high, with a face as white as a fungus. It is to her that the little room belongs. Means till here we have studied a strange room that is not filled with the light, but it is nor by lamp or window, but it is still having a light. It has soft radiance, as well as there is nothing for ventilation, but the air is fresh. No musical instrument, yet at this moment the room is throbbing with malicious sounds. So means till here we have studied the very strange room and a strange woman which has 5 feet high and a face, white face like a fungus, but the room belongs to her. An electric bell rang. The woman touched a switch and the music was silent. I suppose I must see how it is, she thought, and set her chair in motion. The chair, like the music, was worked by machinery, and it rolled her to the other side of the room, where the bell still rang importunately. Who is it? She called. Her voice was irritable, for she had been interrupted often since the music began. She knew several thousand people in certain directions. Human communication had been advanced enormously. But when she listened into the receiver, her white face wrinkled into a smile, and she said, "Very well, let us talk. I will isolate myself. I do not expect anything important will happen for the next 5 minutes, for I can give you full 5 minutes, Kunu. Then I must deliver my lecture on music during the Australian period." Means till here there is a mystery girl that is sitting in the mysterious room, and when she received a call, she took the call and she said that she will remain isolated and she will give complete 5 minutes to Kunu. So Kunu is the name of a person. So now she said that I must deliver my lecture on music during the Australian period. So we will study about the about about page number 73 in my next video, because my video is stretched a lot. So till my next video, stay at home, stay safe. So thank you very much.